What's up guys? Happy Monday. Megan here with the Axiom Fitness Academy, and I've got your move of the week. This week we have a C-slam. So this is a fun exercise. You can work on power and it's also really good for the core. So we're gonna make sure the ball starts right in between our feet. Pick it up like you would a good deadlift. And then as you pick the ball up and stand up, you're gonna rotate around your body, slam it right back down to the middle. And you're gonna alternate every time. So nice good pickup, make that big C, slam it down. So you can go more for power on this one, take a little bit more time in between reps, and really focus on throwing that ball as hard as you can into the ground, or use it as more of a conditioning exercise and string together a few more reps at a time. Give it a shot, let us know what you think.